So guys, this is the next big thing around the corner. As you know that the Vivo NEX 2 is the upcoming flagship from Vivo that is scheduled to go official in China on December 11. So yesterday, through its official Vivo account, Vivo had confirmed that it will be announcing something about the Vivo NEX 2 smartphone today. So as promised, the Vivo has shared official renders of the smartphone. Moreover, a hands-on video of the Vivo NEX 2 has also surfaced online that shows the front and rear design. So let's talk about these official renders of the upcoming Vivo NEX 2 smartphone. The renders of the smartphone clearly shows that the Vivo NEX 2 is delivering marvelous full screen experience since it does not feature thick-sized upper and lower bezels. The rear side of the smartphone features a smaller screen, an RGB lightning lunar ring for the notifications, triple rear camera sensors and LED flash. So let's talk about this hands-on video which is posted by Ice Universe on his Twitter account. As you can see that it shows that the smartphone is indeed equipped with a big notchless screen that seems to offer close to 100% screen to body ratio. So the rear shell of the phone seems to be sporting a gradient color. The handset is speculated to arrive ice blue and star purple gradient color options. Also today, a user and tech blogger in China, Ofun8, posted plenty of photos of the Vivo NEX 2 in two different colors, showing its two sides, and there is even a shoot where the back is compared to the Vivo NEX S. So although the phones are not powered on, we can see the very minimal bezels on the front panel, while the back has a small screen along with the Vivo logo and the triple rear cameras. It is an circular module that we already know from previous teasers that it would have RGB lightning. So let's talk about this futuristic madness. The Vivo NEX 2 doesn't need a front camera. It just uses its secondary screen as a viewfinder and takes selfies with the vastly more capable rear shooter. So the ring in the middle houses two camera sensors and one more on each side. So this is called lunar ring and doubles as a display scale with which you can adjust the intensity level of the beauty effect and the 3D beauty. Note that both modes are different from one another. And one thing more, we might be looking at two different versions, one with 4 cameras and one with 3 cameras. The previous NEX did come out in two versions too, NEX S and NEX A. So yeah, this is the Vivo NEX 2 smartphone. What's your thoughts on this futuristic beast? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.